Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm here to urge people to support H.R. 4851, which is a bill called the Demand Open Access to Tibet. I believe that everybody, U.S. officials, members of the U.S. Congress, average Tibetans here in the United States ought to have access to travel to Tibet, to see their relatives, to be able to assess the human rights situation. And China continues to deny that right to people here in the United States, notwithstanding the fact that Chinese officials can go anywhere they want to go in the United States. But what this bill says is those responsible for this oppressive Tibetan policy and those responsible for implementing it, they will not be able to enjoy the travel to the United States. And the reason why this is important is because this is about human rights. And for too long, I think the United States and other countries have been content to issue statements of condemnation of China's oppressive policy in Tibet, but we've done little else. We need to be more imaginative in our approach, and this is a way to send a signal to those who are the oppressors that there's a consequence. And ultimately, what we want is China to open up Tibet. Let relatives go back and visit their loved ones, and let the world see what an incredible culture the Tibetan culture is. And so, we're urging people to support this bill. And I'm here to say that I stand with the Tibetan community. I stand for human rights. I'm an ally, and I'll be there until things change for the better.